Mjumedi so Mpensenpensemu bre ena aso free sabre kopinso na nkro beba pounds ma adwenu enum mede de akwasi ensi abia so ye de badwafo betena se atwetwe enkuba ba kai wo se ene se wo ya bamu anu asisu a enkoso mfa wo sika nyina enhandan edan hande o kaso be han de bia ebre de bra pa hebe de so betimi abobi miona kakra bia onya ne no siesebi kakra akra saa wo ya fakọ Adom City Estate ka chom se kakra wanya no pese de to ase na ojo mo 2-bedroom house no ebi enye room 2-bedroom house efie ye wankasa wo dia eda bia ope bia na abesore de afrim obi abegina prochi bom bang betwa wo danka you see as low as 300,000 Ghana cedis obetimi enya efie ya betem emmesika no ehunahuna na asha say o committed to it uchi ya 10% 5% 2% 1% the two kakra krasa obetua wi a wansakasa wo bedwiro say eh me pan metimi atua 300,000 Ghana cedis dia kwakoto efise ya metimo omufie ni nyina so efe eye kama enye ne yesima wa enche na ahase efrofro no sasa bebre akasa nche dan fasmen kra nwura omodan na omo esin emu from our 0308 250068 0308 250068 na Adom City Estate MP 2-bedroom detached semi-detached 3-bedroom detached semi-detached and I said 3-bedroom executive emfa emma and a very good morning call emfa emma to sumi osai butoku hine na na po mechia pa nyame chira na wahine nkoso entre enye kese de bia sanso na da ma hine so mechia nana kwatenten ena esre ede emma wo a very good morning to oboy de koye ochira de wo great amas wo asante mampo yada munyina ase samugo so ehwe Adom TV David Sopoku ansa OPK de efre no eyem rashe yenema de hye wo mprae so in the eastern region watnase ehwe nim se ora ankwa enso betnase na eno so atwe ekpo OPK boko de boko minia mu wache
ja na se makosha asante mamu kakranti so wa woni tia
efom ye
oh yes Adom from ye de bia meka se party no a traditional party.
Okay.
Na yakase drew so na drew so.
Okay.
Eti na sentem ya new racha matin etukwan concran ko Volta region. Ya besia koti kwa Ashanti region. Na o hwe broni be ka acceptability.
Okay.
Especially nensemo a ode tudwa nensania Ghana for na jatumu ni tutu ni police station officers na jatumu no. Me memory shemu say indeed ya kase dunu so na dunu so eti yakoba and share there ya hwenim say ya the super delegates no ebe akogu na ya elective 5 the bia me kase super delegates there is just an administrative process.
Okay.
Just to select 5 eti no me hunu say amanfo de o maho odi nyina akogu super delegates but super delegates no is just a fraction of one Kotoaba in November 4th. No. Bronibe can 0.0004% of the population over 200,000 Kotoaba. Of course, these are people are only the party in them. But you can't leaders of the party and answer the real key makers of the party and answer see you to me MPP flag bearer and a leader of the party man be the president now. Polling station officers. No. It's here in there, you be so the answer makodan polling station officers. So nyame ya Adom na oracha matin to me PM first 5. Meaning say one mission no nyam November 4th.
Okay, so what do you also make of this analysis bimo yes we super delegate now. Most of them no elective officers.
Yeah.
Among for na to abayom. The same polling station for ya.
Yeah.
And that GD confidence na polling station for nya yo mudi sampeni for you know. There's a belief say sampeni for no represent the over 200,000 people no make it the final decision. So decision be omo take you super delegate be a reflection on the 4th November about okese.
Well, I would doubt that because at the end of the day me say me got two super delegates.
Yeah.
Nipe tuaba yi me as parliamentary candidate from Price. So, about 70% of my constituents.
Okay. So
70%, and I cannot sit on this way and say all the 70% would want me to vote for Alan.
okay.
So the decision to vote for Alan is my personal choice. It is born out of the fact that I believe strongly that Alan needs to appear in the 5. So that's it. And people are voting based on relationships.
Okay.
I mean, that's what is happening. Obi wa also any osimesi Ephraim in Mekotuabana, Metuamana. So it is not really necessarily say nipa obeti me diko ninim because how to me you nyina say any ensem
Sa a little over 900 no.
Any how to me no to elect the obedi part economy any ensem.
Okay.
It's here there you ko kire adwene ni 5 e dia bre polling station for no.
Okay.
Sa to me no omensem ne wo. And if you look at the sentiments and in somewhere your polling station executives na keka say omonti say dogo bi kra nu abe and then no eni biaba
okay
because of media ne social media ne niam no obi ehunu de ekoso obi eti obi asem na me wogidi say your polling station officers no ombeti obi asem asa na omo de akosi so yan so aselete
amanfo fa ne say aba amokwa akoto in November no abato between omo didi omugusu didi omonya asem prompro against omo face say ya neglect omokra mo am the form majority in this group
and the asem sebe I think it's a polling station officer bia ehuna
okay
me kai say in 2001 2000 elections Rakufo de nyumbi baya na ye nyina yeto ye se hwe wasitnem
okay
hwe wasitnem neto wabapa so your polling station officer hwe wasitnem na hwe wo mo a ebompro no apro no wo mo enya akonya ne wo mo ebetimi aboa wo obi asem eda is bedwom na obi e kana asem ebi se wo me ba polling station for metua mo ka ebi se wo me ba me ma 10 appointment ebi se wo me ba polling station will be at the center of my administration any niema gradually your pennyful are realizing or appreciating the fact that your polling station officers they neglect your match. And over me constituency. Oko electoral area bit se bepon. Yeah, polling station for Ikita masters.
Okay.
Johnson mo, Atakra mo, just say wo mo kita masters. So almost deserve some of the bigger appointments now. I thought that among for free miamia baby ebeje ekoye no. So that's it. And I say polling station officer be a catch them say penifo ni bi kra o akọ mo amunimu because party adwuma cho be kra mo bi da.
Obi ke no kra so mo yese enipa du ya e pre-vote wo MPP mo. Se me nsuto na make mo be se ensia concern de omunya appointment wo President Kufuor Abem. Ye bi some yese a kwan be no mfa so do mo appointment no affected the lives of these polling station executives sir. And the more common chan kwakwaji o munchan emwe.
I know ni asem no. I know nti wokwa I was out to me check mu to polling station for no. Dey utumi eye ma wo mo.
It's a position na onyaye no.
Nyaye no. Ebi dey say me buy nhihye ba kwa me dey buy any one district one factory.
Okay.
And it me create over 100,000 jobs. And they ko district bi emu a. And they buy me price wa. Ye me ano dey. But the see factory kakra the machines aba me gumu a enche bia no ye hwe nim sama be bia no ene oba me price wa your business resource center kese ba ko a orache martin ene ba be sima ko man
okay
ene e ba be employ nipa e wo ho so far ye fa nkonua me gumu ye ba ye be gumu a e be employ nipa obi aso me kire de ono so ye ma obi ene kro so that she who project proposals out the buyer it may affect the larger group of people no fa na be tujwa so that she so for me, Obi nya to deal with party people, the position in their manner. Even when you're a member of parliament,
yeah.
Opposition in their show, which may affect the larger group of delegates here. Sabi when you be an was so maybe frobio.
Okay.
Nemum kakrani edisha unsano. Ediana wait media. So that's Ediana wait media. So to me, the ODIA. Ebia o ba me polling station ya metimi aboa nipa ba ko mienu miensa du So that's it. Okay. Then based on that, the polling station people will see it's a reflection of the opposite Yama. Okay. So I'm very hopeful. Say, after we have selected the 5, the polling station people would elect a leader or credible first of all. Okay. A leader in 2024 ebenya ensem aka eokromase sebio and there will be no base simpie so one people more on can one district one factory on can automobile industry on can a business support programs I would grab a pita obi no obegina simpie so of course I mean and also idea back one and then a man for so be come so that's it but the tangibles near my was saying okay and sana wana kotoa ba e dia ma won ene obi ne kan na se mo se ocha je ikufo apenso obae or the free maternal health care ne bae me boana free ona na na do dan kwakufo do under MPP aban eso bae no de free SHS eso bae
that's omo munya free maternal health care no
omo
e benefit
free SHS ene sa free SHS for omu wie school okay ade ba kwa edom ani so nyuma eti omu hia presidential candidate obetimi create nyuma e de ama wo
okay enti kufuo be wo ma
yes
ekufu adro mu ko school o si enye obi obepa adwuma de ama wo
adwuma ra so de eno ane ora Alan John Kojo Chiramati
eni sana Trinity no etie
oh yes so we are very hopeful say amanfo obehwe no so na omo ayi no I mean, ne Ghana fine baby obefebia we member of parliament of course by 10 about phones no. Okay. Moon sia de about the nyuma obi happy.
Okay, they say Alan me na be say first and second batch of free SHS for no every tertiary.
Yes. They also me pay nyuma.
To also pay nyuma de
mo. They say to me industrialize Ghana. Ye bie Ghana mu. Na nyuma no ene after year by year edwedie amanfo free Tanzania to me beto adonko bites wo had kono ebie ene okwa kokumasi a wo ba wo kasa prakusi ebie ni se gui ni nyina no ye fini nyuma ene nyuma kesia wo se etimi biebie mu sa pepepe ni kinkuman kete wo mu obi wo ha no ebie adom heba adom toothpaste adom ni nyina we should find a way of escalating it onto the African market. Okay. Anything I wish as a visionary leader, no, or trade minister, no, or they after, a championing after, and a BMU. So it is all aimed at a certain vision. Okay. And I wish presidential candidates in na age na, or no penny nipa before be launching a campaign cry, or the GTP program, okay. No, I bet you a chiripi fee hawa, or person or Ghana, no boa man Ghana. So we are very hopeful say any point in time behind Yankopon war nipa yi some remedy okay there are over 200,000 delegates here benya kwanya akoto 4th November aba NPP amayuku after so masanity nipa num no ebekọ no nipa du obia na mo a ode ne to abo eba ebi so fi say eyekuasem na betimi age Ghana sikasem ejina ye ebisu de brodio obisu de ese ye create nyuma we nyina no yen digitalize enyuma no yen digitalize economy no se na be ye at least upe bibia enko ye din pin fama because e be bia wiase no ekọ eno no obisu de ese ye hold on to the tradition of the party, the tradition of Oman Ghana obisu de ese Ghana mabunu ebre yen can these fantastic ideas ni nyina moment one box ni manage ni ye it is any padu we nyina eba NPP delegate anim by next week Saturday emunum ebe free mu na aka enum ne ba delegates no ene be kire ba me so ye delegate to abahu se nipa na wo de no eba no obeboa Ghana ene number 1 nipa ne ba no ameboa Ghana na da so sori ABC de tena DC mu a da bia sa na beye te dwen nipa obeboa Ghana ama wakasa so anya so emfaso se omoa na enye kapre ne sempoa
eni ni obedi ne 200 Ghana cedis no ne nkoton daachi emfa mo papa one ne yire ne ma ebidi di afebɔ omuma be hia oma aka kire oma se wo wa mobra so the decision to change Ghana ending them okay share kobo I say last week yedi kobo bi at the street light nye adwuma won kran by ye street light levy 3% of our energy consumption goes into street lighting by nye adwuma ye bom last week na anu this week ya no what say Greater Accra Regional Minister say omotimi secure 20,000 street lights ye ba be fix e ya de pa ya bona baso baby aba bedru ye say traffic light nye adwuma na ye hu kra say ye mampani aboboa no Nima police station traffic light nye adwuma
dia etesia na say one of
I see for almost getting to more than 1 month ni because what am nam de bia National Road Safety Authority aboya man say about 48% of our traffic lights enye adwuma no mo blaming urban roads some na fail to make the traffic light no say be adwuma the Ashanti Regional Minister so somewhere last week so can say government is in debt it been fixed traffic light what do you do?
Well, it's unfortunate because I would say me mukakra ni hunu kwan be fa so kwan fa so sa de we nyina tim yesie say street light and traffic light there very necessary too especially sometimes unam sometimes I do benam from Kwawu what to free eastern region now bankran and I don't know say o kan ya kran ya papa kakra wan hwe ya de akowura ka biase
sure
now me gidi say there has to be a national approach like a more serious approach to street lighting in Ghana oba me constituency on the Kwawu de bosu si etaisi pa na bepo ni no there ya raise issue with road safety because a toda kasa kesi free from planes e be nyina no e bitimi tefa so because onhunu ade bosu no na ayade ya tworo ho krata aka ho asem aye hu dede okromu ase for a very long time and sometimes na me feel say bia ye twama nipa be bia nipa hwe ne kra ansana ya ba be ye bibi wo ho I mean and say mranche bia be sinko year from planes wo moba yes ane anajo ye hunu kwan so ene ediko dry so that's it. Media, I'm happy say Saudi way has come to the forefront. But usually, we struggle to find a particular state institution responsible for street lighting.
Sure.
Sometimes, no, so a Ministry of Roads, but Ministry of Roads, a Ministry of Energy, Ministry of Energy, maybe a road safety for an Akojom project be and no more.
Okay.
I believe strongly say we need to streamline all these activities and find one agency.
Hunu per energy ministry or more criteria for the management, maintenance, erection of street lights. On August 2011, I say the MMDAs are in charge of maintaining street lights. Any MMDCs ni bi so di nkomo, omo mpeso mekasa air. HM say, sa 3% na ye chia for ye street lighting. Eba a core energy ministry. Na ye CG for ababeji omudium, ko omudi omi ye consumption. Electricity na street light na consume. Any abeji. The akana are supposed to be distributed to the various assemblies. And I quite remember him say for the past 2 years, ni yetimi about 237 million Ghana cedis from street light living kwa. But the challenge that MMDC's new regime is coming.
Worrying. I think it's American. We need to streamline all these agencies are responsible for street lighting, you know, so that erection of street lights in this Ghana. We streamline and find a Kuba consa. Jenfan say, Ebia, you so street light hunsamunina. Say this street light be here, see for street lights in here, say street light I say no. osimesi anase company we na ye responsible for it. A state institution.
Okay.
So because me say I've had to struggle to find out who is responsible to ensuring say me be ponimu no menya kania or be ponimu.
It's also MC.
MC menya sure say oyawe.
So nyawe so no also or pray a street light. But
the assembly no would not even have the capacity to even purchase 10 of those solar street lights. No, I will be putting.
That is why you walk street light levy or electricity bill say you
and I make us say in applying these levies, no, so okay. I have mentioned say sometimes Uber could be a street light once, a very a Ministry of Roads.
Yeah.
Maybe sometimes Ministry of Energy.
Yeah.
Maybe sometimes called Road Safety Commission.
Yeah.
All these three agencies, no, in some way or somehow, no, have a responsibility in ensuring say ya kwan no so no
sure.
But you find say you decide you money na akwa share be a Road Safety Commission for nsem. Na sa levy a ya gigi nyina akom nsem. Omo responsibility ni say assemblies ni chefe wo mu bia no, they will distribute it. Then we can hold them accountable for it. But say yet disjointed, na yet fragmented, sana as ye hunu sani ade ne bekwa na or how kese eba. It media mesre abain. Say enimani ya no. They're finding ways of streamlining those activities. Na sike bekwa assembly for ne
yeah.
Because usually koko na beto MPs na bobo no.
Yeah.
And if you're a member of parliament, I was able to me call lobby for street lights.
Yeah.
Now why say you sika?
Is it true? One in bottom sika kwana.
Yes, I'm telling you. Because why are you too?
Okay. On a sad life of life. Show TV so share emfuni se bia be huni pakra anti Araba Tego. Araw sema beto dwane se we free mo. Ana pay. Nyakopon fa the cra ensie. Ye ka empanifo a edi tintimaye wo NDC amyokomu a anti Araba Tego eka ho ebe. Te obekaya ne trajectory free from Western region and Oba national. The modern more NDC mono cannot just be shielded. Will be a wabon homodi pa ma NDC amyokono as a political party. I now for me dear Ariama or my Ghana. Just all TV so anti Araba Tego. Yeah, we free mo. And infuni at the honum no. Yema ebusia yako ene shedding. Yema kandini wo NDC amyokomu so shedding. Enema NDC mpenifo ni mu echitafo ni mu emenyina enso shedding. Ema mu nyina so yako. Munwie na Ghana so enwie bi. Mame, nyame fa okra ensie. Daye nantiye. Obike. Eti yem se
me fa kunyan mama NDC fo nyina shedding. Say mami o say obun kompo kakra to mu say obo party ni ye, especially Western region. Yeah. The best say onyankopon enfa de kra ensie eye. Sene odi kan no. Me gidi pa say enye NDC pe na ahwade.
Sure.
Ghana nyina, especially the various political parties. No?
Yeah.
And ahwade. Nti yamane onen ne busua yamane busua nyina yako. Na yo gidi say emre ni dru na NDC fo no ma ye nyina yasotia.
Yeah.
E ba ko jawo mo na yape ye nuaba no krabia fefefe.
Pragia operations in a greater Accra region. Nura and near Kumase. Tienura on Badwam so ye ne the head of transport wo KMA. And ye ne Pragia from Penifua a war Kumase as sentiment to specific Asia ye edim komo. Since a KMA for take decision say what dear Obama Pragia enye juma within the central business district of Kumase. Nura is soon and a Pragia free issue. After so many police for Konya confrontation, it will begin a new and say, yeah, sure, that's no. In your police for best 20, yeah, not a by because of a buffo. I walk Pragia from to no be me a bit messy. But no, I don't buy some patch. Send pen for whom the central business because I don't know, a honest Kanakasa ejina. This week, Greater Accra Regional Minister, as part of our annual meetings here, Regional Minister no any the various MMDCs no Asiano. Omunyina so anako benkuma jetu say some part of Greater Accra, especially the central business districts, or like Macedon, almost so air restricted Pragia movement, those so areas. If you raise concerns, if you go for many who are maybe by your day, congestion is here can was no social more. You see, Praga for contribute only based 7% of congestion on our roads. A dreadful ajikwa aboso. Shankafua air packing baby and kwasi a packing. Lack of stations are at the ama shankafua at the certain places a kwemu aye stations. Just so you say, because a tree need a see Praga for so now kumabe. How are we to manage such situation?
I think some time ago. Yeah, regional administration raised issues about Okada.
Yeah.
And how Okada business needs to be managed in Greater Accra and also other bigger regions. Yeah, they did be at the point near Persia banning and I realized that any idea possible say banning Okada or Ghana. The decision to sit on a motorbike or not, no. I mean, I think it rests with the wow person who okay. Also, beginning with safety who can.
Okay.
So no kwakotena. Na say sa yellow ya be. Springy hapo baby ya okada yi. Praga. Na say kokumasi na say me kokumasi. Just easy. And there's total disregard for traffic regulations. That for me is my problem. It's my worry.
Yeah.
Yellow, red crash or no. Now, a person fine check.
Yes.
Sometimes cry no who say or your 4 ties into on it cast na nam kwan so. Go shoulder to shoulder. Traffic so chia. No person you fa ho na fine check no ko.
Yeah.
Because of feel say the video no e dey big to ebi. For me, just like what I said during Okada time, is that see this means of transport is also creating employment. And young man said the unemployment situation in our country, okay. It is even so bit me a bob with Kano Kakra, the Akoto Praia, not so the Yenejuma. Now obey so obey General Efrin Samana, so Mano and Jumana, not Eddie or Haka Kranaba. So we need to regulate.
Okay.
We need to regulate their operations. That for me is the most important. And in doing that, just like how drivers are supposed to go for a training, announce about exams, and sana when your license, we need to subject this Okada for and Pragia for to similar training for them to respect road traffic regulations.
Okay.
Now, say I approve in Bikra near the Emma Womo, near the Ama Womo. Of course, I mean, this is a global. And I will go India, side way. I will baby. In the month for near Hunu, very cheap. Better say better on taxi.
Yeah.
And then Crofo baby, and I can no more on taxi the man Crofo age man. Omeja and no munina koto Pragia any edema because you see sales in the cry.
Yeah. In fact, says any taxi ni pay.
Correct.
To be a 50, 60, 70, you know.
Yes. It's in Nipano or businessman or
maintenance costs and so form. Fuel consumption of
form. It's in over person be a Pragiano.
Yes.
And a contemporary Nipania tremo agrigrina na fahani near the but we need to find a way of regulating it. And once you ban it completely, say be a Pragian if you know it is not sustainable. You can't do it because in Krofo Kotaba, 1 year careful, maybe a MTTD office one. Oh, you know, be Pragiama. Yes. The other bit is that if the state do not want this Pragia, say Emra Yejemwa,
okay,
then we need to stop it. Ab initio, right stop from the importation of it.
Maybe I think the main agreement partner attached was say enco some of the hard rich areas. Yeah, taxes no enco.
Because of baby, say baby, Upia Adom anyway ya na ujina ho be 5 minutes.
Oh, wa ya na motorway na se bi. Ebi na motorway.
Motorway
so regulating no. Say ye mo ma the central business district no. Encourse quote unquote the nuisance na ye hwe mo encourse no. Ana say ye regulate say ye mo almost take say odu ho within a certain few minutes no say u free honum edeko because the challenge ni ye corona omo ebe ma be course
no na make say so u regulate ya
yeah
na omo nim omo sene wo so omo ye omo niam baby wo ha omo ntimi nko fast ya ban say ene mo say pragya fa akwai say onam central land
yeah
so that's it na ukita ebi a diesel car anase petrol car wo be wie no na ukra ho akire because the cost of licenses ne your friend is saying a penalty anya ne getwa so
okay
so we should allow systems to work but the systems be adwuma I was ultimately regulate now more guidelines say memfa obetimi afa ha say na aye there are a lot of areas any kan no
yeah
baby o ma kwan nye e be taxi ni ntimi nko
yeah
but pragye with the three ties obetimi maneuver no akafo no why na adwuma so we need to look at all of this. For me, you cannot totally say you are banning the activities of private.
But was a ban here coming to the central business district of the region.
But they will tell you that is where the money is.
But how long so what say that?
I agree. I perfectly agree with you. I mean, so I make say no. One year careful cry now nam krom na one year ya obi cry de e de akobo ananso de akotwi kan. What I say. Sa na bakui e ba ye abobo ye.
Yeah.
So ba ye ya gidi me kai there be from prince from a jaw no so na no.
Okay.
Oh, ba could be say war ban speed or they ba be pie so na no. Afi o chi break na enchi. Papa bi na o ti mo trunk ni mo no.
Yeah.
Machine na ni busi penny say na ohunu the dia but because they are not regulated, because they are not going for any specific licenses and
okay.
Obi grand chain say okita pragia and as okita boboya and okita okada ebia menko more than ebia 60 and I say because omo nyina amo speedometers ni bia omo de check.
Okay.
But on them national officer was space now to me kwa and most of these people are very young people in kita in Fideo.
Okay. So OPK eba share the earlier parliament and Kasa passed in 2012 about regulating motorbikes. Mo parliament na mo pass here telling us motorbikes cannot be used for commercial purposes. Meaning say amendment wo mu dia.
When I make say those things you
pass the amendment wo mu why are we flouting yanka say mra yaye?
Well, and I'm say yeah India will pass the law. If parliament passes the law, there are state institutions that are responsible to in enforcing the law. So it is the duty of the police. But sometimes you need to also weigh the realities of life. What I say, Obi Waha, Kanino, be 2-3 years ago, na motorbike, ofa kromofa, akreya, utumito moto 2,000, 3,000 cities.
Yeah.
Those days, who call campaign, utumito. But because of the demand on motorbikes, and the motorbikes, and I'm 12,000, 13,000 cities. Yeah. So that's it. It's because of the demands. People are buying it and using it for businesses. Ninyama. Can you stop them? It is not possible to stop them. So let us find a way of regulating the activities.
Okay. Honorable Henkwaya Frederick, NDC MP for German North. Abeka, yes, sir. Honorable Kodie.
Wako.
Ibia Sheye.
Yameno,
German North, Ikoye.
Ekoye.
Some pine or still. Yet, here.
OPK, what idea? Obama road minister want. Say it's in their problem, anyhow.
Oh, me constituency.
I know me fa kede sa kopie. Kro ba ko bi me refi kro ni din kede wuremu a ayi chairman of committee on agri. Ebrim.
Okay.
Ne hono.
Oh, ne hono.
Oh, mami mi say me wi na.
Mami ma information say na why you mischief.
Me mischief.
A new month.
Okay.
A new month for.
Any
abine a year, a new month Ghana. Once a new month or a brim.
Oh, na say new month. He no mo show mo adwuma se.
Was it?
New month ni Kenya say have any brum wo mo ni.
Any mo as MPs mo call lobby no omo MP na timi akọ lobby a wonya sa
me MP be na call lobby ya yi kwan ya guso
dia para pesoka
me say ya yi kwan ya guso
ai kwa dia na pesoka
me fi say kwan aka afa so dia nka mfu o
dia na pesoka
me kona me kona me hwe kwan ni nche mu jese utum say ya gu kwan no so enwura afua nam kota no so na se ka akura je na emfa ho
na se ya kwan to ba bia
asabuni
ba bia cars fa dodo na kasa kwan ni ho
ye besre offer
okay
road minister ontwa ne ni no nhwe German North de bia anse me ba meka
yeah
se hwe ka shua from my way mo we are generating a lot of revenue from cashew into our kitty no and it's from that enclave. Now we share drivers no kwan mo fa so etuto mo with these trailers no mo dia be pie ansana ya ship to the foreigner dinner sad ba me situation is president hankasa e ba ho e the pickers no ba ne shovel no enu kwan na won Land Cruiser na hwi
ye the pickers too
or the be war from say so
nyap ye the German North
or the be war from say so
the German North number ye so poor to the extent say ye nyap pickers.
I'm telling you say
okay
we are poor. The only district capital
okay
in this country yengu mokota
eno
ho and sampa nye kura ne kuro
yeah
obi ati sampa din bi akọ sampa no onim economic activities a ekoho even say Brown region ye can district per district near can IGF kura obi otumi generate enough IGF a who region na uye me who district a eto ye boy on modern but I believe say we deserve better
okay
and I cry we be a location we share boundary with Cote d'Ivoire the largest region the northern region of Cote d'Ivoire ni any omobo share
okay
na there be ameka say obi free bontuku na oba be do sampa wa ansa anko na chi biom a impression obenya about sampa no the general impression about Ghana. So I believe say the town need a facelift. Ya kwanso yenye ni ye.
I want to believe say the roads and highways minister.
Adom kwasi akwata. Mo ji free ho so omo fanye ni esese.
Ebetu anamo.
Wa mama nji amenu. Madam Varo no.
Papa.
Obige. Boko de.
And let me know if I make us out.
It is some of very magic. For the first time,
yeah, heady card, no. Yeah, heady card, no.
But I want to restricting Pragia movement.
Yeah.
In our central business district.
Yeah.
It's not the right way to go.
Yeah.
And I bet me a home baby.
Medawase anapena machiacha watifu ewahwefo ni atifu nyina. Mse me ba me betu se me nua panyin.
Yeah.
Na obrubru eso. But mse medana sin ne wa amfa amanyo sem na amfa mo wa nationalistic.
Oh, me dey me ba radio so a obeja to.
Na me bo wa baso a wo ma mi nwie wo kanfo ho a obebeka se enye papa me mom na sese me di hu adanse
yo me cheo
nti me ba ye ne mbeto so a na wo kan em se ne kwan so a wa hu issue we aba no it is not just say ye bane abobo ya Pragia say manimfa ya kwan so
okay
but we should look at bread and butter issues
okay
ene uhwe report a ye wo ye security threat a ye wo man we mu ba ko pa the teaming unemployment of the youth. Adwuma ni o man we mu. Na threat. The security experts no be ka kire wa.
Yeah.
Sa ade bi betumi ama oyine asi o man we mu a. Na ye mranti wa ne mabawa. Aya ni adwuma wo man we mu the youth no.
Okay.
Na Pragia ni abobo ya ye nim say time passed be some 10 years back. Sa ni o man we ni ehu. But going forward nne ahu say Pragia bobo ya nom ahya ase a amanfo ede ye adwuma matimi aka kire o say Sa pragiani abobo ya amanfo de commercial activities no. Ate unemployment no so in a way. They all come me ho a. Metimi aka say economic activities ayeye no wo amanfo a edi bia.
Yeah.
Say omo so omo nioma to market centers. Even cashew ya American one say ye cashew no farm gate wia. Say ye di ba fie no pragiani abobo ya na efa. Because who ko fa taxi a pragiani di 1 gallon and a be some kilometers.
Yeah.
Kilometers do a pragiani 1 gallon be ko say taxi be ko ho a. This or the beer 2 gallons and not 3 gallons echo. Enti omo consumption no e wo form. E ba sa so a it goes into the pricing.
Yeah.
Enti sika taxi beji ana car e beji na truck e beji no. Abobo ya no e beji lesser. And the farmers feel say okay say they will deal with them. Wa kona car si wo kwa kope car na price e be bo no untumi. Who can see fuel no. But when no consumption no form a one ne kan obeji kakra bi na ne pese wo ye no wa ye baby amete e wo ogbojo.
Yeah.
When it comes to sanitation, maybe who sanitation vehicle we are say vehicle a eswa refuse afa street no soda. Pragia for ya nopa. Abobo ya for pam. Omo starting no mo ba no mo bo aben. Nti tenant bia o bia na household bia na omageda refuse no wo anymore. Ti nipa ne du a na waje ne sika no asesa. Omo wia na omo de ko. E ma hunidie ekoso
omkoto gun yefa.
Ene de mean to me.
Nti ho na onabo de issue no eba.
No, na say nwura de usisa e de sese okotu egu baabi.
Because most of them in the baabi ekotu nwura ne gu. Anything man greater courage na minister dey brace on pene ma abobo ya emfata ma motorway so no.
No.
Because we be ba won be bre ni class ni net. Eti nwura na so wa fa free or dey kono. Na nkaka ni nyina ahwie gu motorway ne so no asada na ni.
No, the solution is not to ban. What I say? Now no obi file a question ebisa say last year recruitment ya awura this year mu.
Okay.
Yeah, police are Nepa do saying na interior minister afa. Or answer question no. One can crowd say within this time frame. Police for aya for more. Ya training or more amba pass out a binum that's what training na ye kikambu more. It's over 4,000. What I say? 4,000 no. Ejuma be no more ye. This boils down to regulation. Nipa na kofa oni net. Oni net a onfa nkata so no. E dey necessary woye no. Wan say ye hye mra no manipa. Ye hye nipa mamra. Enti as time changes no, ye loss no bi wa. Say outdated da. Ese say ya ankasa ye hwe ne yesisam. E obi say parliament a pass ela say ye mba ni hu ni oma but nipa dudu say na ne betimi atoka e wo my way mu. Let me tell you something. There was a day na me offer say ya file amane say ne maame ne papa nyina wo US na oko interview me sorry fie anopa by 6:30 na interview time 8 o'clock me set fie anopa by then na me ti Madina estate wo be me fa taxi anopa no me dim sa traffic me ba be duro pa bia no na 8 abo pepepepe. I had no option. Na say me si free car no me fa kula ni si mi na so. Na mpe ukada. Odi me si akire. Ansana o manova kakran. Edi me akwa ko duwa akula. Me ko duwa akula na time no kura so. Obi na minim no wa o ye maduma. O ma akula ni wura mu a. E ko ye ni interview na ene wa koka o ma me ni o papa ho e wo ho. Edi na me kan nyina ni say we can't downplay the contribution of this transport that did to your economy no. Enti totally ni ka say ye bania obia no aduane ene ye yi afri na no. Afa ye be create unemployment. Enti situation say ba. Aba, what do we do?
Okay, but I think also
we need to sit down.
Ye two metros now.
Yeah.
As someone can say, we are not banning it entirely, but we are restricting your movement to our business center.
Na business center, na make a choice. Say, uko a market here wo high to do. Yeah, very well say a market case here. Mokola.
Yeah.
Ma me fo eton ntos nyadwa nkruma ene ho nkro ne ba no. Bebre na means be no mo di so mo nyoma no eko market.
But we say until the say abobo ya ne pragaba ni so ne ma nkosa.
Yes, one nyoma ko. But you know say nyoma esisa. Look at the numbers are your population baby adu. Wow, every esisa. Na yesu yesisa nyoma bi. Me na me kan nyina ne say fine. Ese say yenya sanity e system no. Ese ye streets e da ho.
Okay.
But ye we no na ese say ye nhihye. What I say? Who yi ni panel outright say man nko the business district no ma. Hina onfa abobo ya no nko ye adwuma no nko nya bibi ni.
Also between you call the hard rich areas na ntima ye nya adwen pose ne yemfa Pragiani abobo ya amra ne so ne ma emfa nipa.
Na me ka say ni nyina ye economic issues so. Sa amra ye kan ene ni nura nyina ya tufu amu. Enti wu kona akofa sa mini track na. Sika na obeji no. The Pragia will charge lesser than that. Don't let us just look at the issue on the surface. Enti na me ka chiro ade we ya ye dey ba no. Culminated to so many ade. One, ye babeti keep people out of business. Because baby I me kwa obi a ne customer bi a me ko market wa na me menyu obi a me di nyoma be ma na yesi ma me nko ho me si me nim baby a me di be fa me kwa kwanya adwuma ye na ma pack yesi wo ti ni panel wo one na yire ne ma ekomo ekun wo wa by the end of the day ni obeya ne se obefa dade bi a hye ne ho na akote baabi almost a big man to say OPK once I feel mafu no yes say OPK there no nti OPK there onye hu ne car no mo say abin wo ha wo na ka o de sine so ni ati o ya pra MPB wo baabi ya ye we wo ha ya ye we wo ha once say ye nyoma we shouldn't just look at them at the surface.
The honorable Ayimkwa office kwambe na betimi regulate the movement of Pragia aboboya in our business center.
Ye ne hwemra yeti o man we mu ne asi o bibi di ayalolo. Ye di ba augment commercial vehicles because amanfo pon adwuma omo to me tenasia igina kwanso a twen car for a very long time. And the government here the policy say ono a the fleet ba augment the activities of the commercial vehicles. Eba no they devoted some lanes.
Okay.
For this ayalolo nkwa mebo it started. And we say we no pick mobo achira say we are coming to take commercial drivers out of business lane. Yeah. They are still there.
Yeah.
So as a country, anywhere. They are there. Almost constructive. No.
But are the buses working?
No, we are not talking about the buses issue. Now, send them na mbegu. Na nye buna mbegu.
As a man okay.
Na ayalolo wa say be here juma wa.
Na say car mo de to back branding ni nyama mo de to ayalolo issue. E be say na be sustainable.
Enye no asem ni ye kan. Ye
na dey na wo kan.
Ayalolo ni nye juma.
Don't divert the conversation. We are talking about who say kwan benso.
Yeah.
Say ye bania na make say ye regulate ya. Kwan benso ni emfaso a ye regulate. Nyoma no aba to stay. Ene wo ko me kuro mu a MPP constituency office animu ukwa eho na business no ekoso.
Eho na station.
Ukọ na ukọhwe no baby a ye ton.
Okay.
Abobo ya na.
Oh, okay.
Ede ubekọ ni apaki esi wo say within the week.
Na asa
ubehwe na car fufura besi yeyi. Amanfo patronize. What does it? And he say, ubeka say oh, ye nyim free or just trust na. Enye adwuma. We have to think outside the box.
Okay.
Thinking outside the box, no, we can embark on this dedicated lanes. Say na ye kan ya lolo sha see ani ye gradually. No. I think say aba, you better me catch say don't blight the main road. What you say?
Ya kan mo mftie.
No me say don't blight the now alternative be na dia man nipa no. What can unti no solve man how do you force him? Umano alternative. How do you tell we shouldn't use the existing facility that is there? Until say bet to me ayes are your man way no. We have to put an alternative. Who the alternative need to one any partner in use wa. Afe who penalizing na. One who say one in so who the penalizing the partner. Enti adena abano enye tra sa keke say oh we are banning them for the central business district. No go di there.
Central business no kwame na fa so regulate your mo
e na me ka che say ye wo baby no more stores no bi animu a. Ye betimi accrete lanes e wo ho. And now we corner cars are paki. The country must store any near paki car.
For example, Adom Nkwa Kakrebino. There were a little over 700 pragia.
And also one
apply until say restricted way. About 700
regional minister
Adom Mpensenpensemu within a day.
Regional minister.
Regional
minister can want them no. William say almost Yelevium, oh
yes,
Yegium yes. And
but meaning so omudia ye because of where they are operating, ye because of Adwuma no moye, and they are not supposed to be operating.
Na Adwuma illegitimate, no. How do you think?
On case Adwuma illegitimate.
Na dey.
And it was say, for example, say Ufri, Badwam Mpensenpensemu,
they are quoting the issues of legality here. What's here? Or say parliament pass here.
Like 2012 na can want them.
And American is the issue of, it boils down to an issue of legality. Say any kind say omudiye commercial activities. Yes. Meanwhile, ye commercial activities. Meanwhile, the MMDs, they take money from them. Enti adia any kind say nipa dey commercial activity no. Then na ujinis.
Okay, but you're about me.
So Tina make say issue na ba no a bit complex.
Sure.
Yeah, to me view the issue from just one angle and say we have to look at it from the multifaceted angle. And then we have to see na ya ba betua
ekwas ma ka say game park every day and upon on kro. Eti brother ready. Ya ko tie draw ya eba ene draw no say odie ma ewia ebeba. The numbers ni 5 4 0 6. It's winning numbers for and pay game pack. So we try no wadia odem sika bubruja. And I'm the kwako sortim ho. Nyame no wadi ne ye. So the amount of pay ya ewia dumienu ebeba enwumere no nsia so. Ebesa the another draw so abroka say every day 3 times in a day on Adom TV.
Na say Adom Oyoluto.
We National Lottery Authority. Yes. We ni aban aji atumo.
It's only 1 to 10.
1 to I think 0 to 9.
0 to 9.
Yes.
They also selected.
O selected number sir. Eba. Uini ese. Udemu anesa.
It's umese ba kukra de we feel.
Umese ba kwa ede.
They also nya phoning na correct.
Umese ba kwa ede.
4 out of 6.
Say bia a bit me ye chobutu na wa pay me. Permutation.
We pay me. Eju abaya di atum, obi de kan aban so de odo ka enya de ebekem. This is Sampa Road. E ka say but Adom City Estate say order for me kusun ka say wa ope edan ato. Onso apeso oto na atwa kakra kwanya enso da ho maw. Ya betimi abano makotena se aye nhyehyeye. Ni hu se na osikasem etie. I say as low as 300,000 Ghana cedis. Ubet me ato efie. Say ye 2 bedroom. Say ye 3 bedroom. Say ye detached. Say ye executive. Ko Adom City Estate. O makache. Nene perifo ekodi enkomo. Say no muntibi. Emo no baby omo so fie ni esisi nyina. Mo esisi o madan nyina no. Enkanea nsuo akwan eje. Etu ni challenge bia wo. Ehu uremu ase ase enkane aso a edemu sa ye num kane abasa enso nso ntwetwe basa so ehonum fra 0308 250068 0308 250068 no mo eni ekwana sanu email info@adomcityestate.com info@adomcityestate.com ona mamma enwie ewo pragade na afi yenko the corruption ensensem so
Pragiani the way na me can.
Yeah.
A woman say omo create problems. Ye nyina ye nimsem.
Okay.
To de bia ye kra nam kwan so abo say obi to meet cross. Yes, I say dua batabo.
Yeah.
Nitwa etwana. Ti ye hwe.
Okay.
se mrano ne ebesesa no na yɛde nneɛma bi akeka ho a mefi sɛ ɛbɛyɛ better.
Okay.
So me the alternative for me one is yɛbɛtumi ayɛ saa dedicated lanes no yɛyɛ bi dada fire lolo no, and if fire lolo is not in operation yɛbɛtumi continue na dedicate ɛde amom. I believe say that will solve the problem. But say yɛka sɛ yɛbane ɔmo from the central business district.
Okay.
Because bebree na ɛhɔ na anopa ɔmo nya bibi ɛde kofie ma busia nyinaa ɛdi. Yes sir, now we are taking them out of business. And it just said unemployment no
ebe kosro
sura neko.
Okay. Okay.
Minya. This is what kind of some immune in our kind. The proposal to use Ayalolo 4 lane, Hona, because in recent times, it serves as an emergency route to share a lot of these ambulances, prison cars, Hona, almost use as an alternative route. But I think that largely we need to improve on our transport system in our country.
Sure.
And I wish Metro Masa, new buses be up, and I'm chroma a. But it looks more like Metro Mass now it focuses more on the interlands, on the from the main, so and we need to improve. And as I more we call Geneva. Just a baby obenambia will be a friend tram. I say train, no, I say car, bonen in Namhona, amount for a afro, and it eases a lot of traffic situation in town. Most of this Pragia, one of the reasons in Japan we return Pragia and now better now Kadechino is because of traffic. Yeah. Then the cake no, and yadia obetimi, I can say, I drew baby also doing them. So now Caso no on your near call a friend American embassy. Also see me kai those days yo after days you can't send me. On this way you may issue a deal could not court. Satan naminam kolebu pan, me say a cockot. Eh, but February abegina court for frame more. The meba. Misuminam a palladium no traffic at you. The only option was to get down from the car, park the car at Manchabuena, and now sit on an Okada to the court. Speed at me the real courtroom on because a beside me a bomb didn't I was still panting. My command was so right. Most of these means in Eboa, but it is because the traffic situation in town so much in that is why people will opt for such means of transportation.
To me boy any a we mutri ya nanka musimo be ya. Flying train no. Nanka nam wi mu dindin moje humbusia yenim se mobeye ana
nti propaganda no washa se na na
o me sha me asem na
ya me chire mu nyina ke me say she mu ko radio Biri ya kwasi se na se kese ko ba production to watch na repass me say dey sha asem no ka say afia mankwa tamaklo and Dr. Panit na say atwa pom ni enkomo wakra